Hey sweet friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Bethany and here on my channel I like to share all things homemaking. Today's video is my fall 2026 clean and decorate and I am so excited to share this with you guys. I love decorating for all of the seasons and making my home cozy, so that's what we're doing today. First, I got to get started with an iced coffee though. I need a little bit of motivation. And so I'm going to make a protein iced coffee this morning, and it's just going to give me that little pep in my step that I need to get all of the decorating and cleaning done today. I hope that you enjoy today's video. If you do, please leave it a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments when you're planning on decorating for fall. Okay, so this is like a very small Hobby Lobby haul, but I did go to Hobby Lobby and I did grab a few things. I got this pack of fall towels. I thought these would be kind of cool, like maybe some of them to use, but I also have some peg shelves and I like to hang a towel from the peg shelves. I feel like just for the seasons it gives it a pop of color, so I really got those for my peg shelves and everything was 40% off. And then I got this candle. This is buttery pumpkin and it smells so good. I got one like this years ago from Aldi and I loved it, and it was much cheaper, but this was 40% off. It was $17.99 but 40% off, and so I just snagged it because I did like the smell of it a lot. And so I love having just like a fall shaped one, especially for the stove. And then there's a wreath that goes above my stove in between my cabinets, and so I got this one. And this was, I believe, $13.99 but 40% off. Gives it a good pop of red color. And then I did get these sprigs. I'm probably going to break these off and then split them up in between my floral baskets that I have on some of my peg shelves, just to give it a pop of fall color on top of the greenery. And so I got that. But a little Hobby Lobby haul I figured I'd share with you. Whenever I start decorating for any season, I always like to start in the kitchen, but I cannot start in the kitchen until a space is clean. So I need to go ahead and clean off this stove. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's fall scents for my cleaner today. Sometimes I like to just get fun fall cleaners or like Christmas ones. I just really enjoy the extra added scent when cleaning. It just makes the whole fall feels 10 times better, but I am so excited to be decorating. I love fall decor. I love Christmas decor. It's two of my favorite times to decorate for. And even though I'm not looking forward to the snow, we get a lot where we live, I am looking forward to the seasons just because I truly love like the decorating and just all of the fun that those seasons bring. But I can't say that I'm not going to miss summer too, because I have been thoroughly enjoying the summer weather. So if you're new here, I typically reuse all of my decor from previous years just in different ways. And sometimes there's a few new things, sometimes there's not. Like there was a few things from Hobby Lobby this year that's new. There's a few things in my kitchen that's new in general, like this cookbook stand, but this is actually not new. It is used and it is thrifted from a estate sale, but I love it. I love that like vintage yet still kind of modern feel. I really do lean towards the grandma core type decor. And I love this, but I most of the time reuse all of my decor, just try to use it in different ways to kind of spruce it up and make it a little bit different each year. And so I'm really excited to decorate this area. I just put some fall florals in that little pitcher, and then I put my fairy lamp up there, my cookbooks, and that brass candlestick, which I turned into a lamp. It is very easy to do. I have a reel on that on my Instagram page. There may be a shorts video on it on YouTube here too, but it's just a brass candlestick, a rechargeable light bulb, and a lamp shade that just sits on top, and it makes the most beautiful little lamp. And I don't know, I love the cozy feel of lamps in the kitchen. You guys will have to let me know if that's something you like. And spoiler alert, I'm going to be putting one in this area too, one that I thrifted. So most of my decor is either reused from previous years with a splash of new every once in a while, and or it's thrifted, because you can find such good stuff if you go out thrifting and you have like an open mind. You can find a lot of good things that you can use in different ways, and it's so fun to see it all come together. I had no idea what I was going to use this crystal lamp for in the corner, and it literally sat around my house for a while because I'm like, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. And then I put it here and I'm like, I absolutely love it. So it's going to be staying here through fall, through winter, and possibly through summer. We will see, but I love it in this space. And yeah, I just love it. You'll have to let me know, what is your decor style down in the comments. This space here is actually one of my favorites to decorate. I have a lot of favorite spaces now, but this was the first space that I put one of these heart shelves, and I absolutely loved it. I put it here about 2 years ago, and it's just one of my favorite spaces to decorate, and the little picture above it just gives me such a Gilmore Girls feel. Let me know if you're a Gilmore Girls fan. Fun fact, I just started watching it for the first time ever this year, and I'm definitely hooked. I definitely enjoy it, and it's that fun, like, fall cozy show. I don't know, it's that just wholesome type show, and I really enjoy it. Over here on my other shelf that I have hanging on the wall, the one of many, I have just some different plates up here and different decor pieces. I'm going to take all this down, give it a good wipe down, because the Lord knows it needs some dusting. And that's all part of the fall clean and decorate. And then I'm going to put some pieces back up here. A lot of them are going to be the same, but I'm going to leave the plates down. I'm going to put a little fall sign up here. And recently at an estate sale, I found a beautiful amber colored fairy lamp. And if you don't know what fairy lamps are, you're going to have to Google them, because they are so cool. And who knew that they are worth a ton of money? I had no idea. I found this one at an estate sale for $4, and look how beautiful it is. It's so cute. Basically what it is it's two glass pieces. You put a tea light in the center. I prefer battery operated. And so I put just a battery operated tea light in the center, and it makes this beautiful warm glow. They're just so pretty. I don't know what it is about them, but I love the like vintage feel of them. They're just so pretty, and I love how this space turned out. Simple, yet very cute and very festive for fall. And you know, it wouldn't be fall if we didn't change it out for a fall hand soap and a fall dish soap. I love this apple cider scent from Mrs. Meyer's. It is my favorite every year. But it's also not fall, and it's never Christmas if you don't do a simmer pot. I love simmer pots. They're a quick, easy way to make your home smell so inviting and so wonderful, especially while you're decorating. And so I'm gonna get this fall simmer pot going. I only had apples, oranges, and some cinnamon on hand, and then some little, I think they're called star anise. I'm not sure if I'm saying that wrong, but I had some of those on hand too, and so I just put those all together in a pot with some water and let it simmer, and it just makes the most beautiful smell in the home. Let me know if you have any good recipes for simmer pots. I usually always do like apples and oranges. In the winter I'll add cranberries and maybe like some pine sprigs or rosemary sprigs, but let me know if you have any good simmer pot recipes. I always love trying new ones, and they're just a favorite of mine every year. If you've been here for a while on my channel, you know that almost all seasons, especially in the cozy seasons, I always have a simmer pot going. For the living room, we're keeping it pretty simple. I'm just going to add some pumpkins to the TV stand after I clean it off, and I'm going to decorate the fireplace a little bit, but that's pretty much it for the living room. This is a family use space. My kiddos have their games up here. We have the DVD player, so it's just a well-used space, and I don't want to put too much up here, but I'm going to put a little bit of decor here, and then I'll put some on the fireplace to make it cozy, and that's going to be about it for the living room. But it still feels so warm and inviting, even with just small touches. So if you're somebody who is a minimalist, even just the smallest touches can make a space feel so cozy. You don't have to go all out and have decor everywhere. I don't have decor everywhere in my living room, and yet it still feels like fall and still feels so warm and inviting.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time
I'm not going too crazy in the bedroom either, but for the last couple years, have been putting this garland on top of my bed, and I absolutely love the way that it feels. It's so cozy and warm, and I don't know how many times I can say cozy in this video, but that's exactly what this video is. It's a cozy fall decorating, but these lights, the garland, everything about it just makes it feel so warm and inviting. And it's nice to get in bed at night and just turn those lights on and have the ambiance of those lights. It's so pretty. But over here on the dresser slash the TV stand, I'm just going to put a fall runner on it. Something simple, gives it a pop of color, but this TV is quite large for this space, and so I really can't fit anything else on here. So I'm not going to put anything else but this runner, but it still gives it that pop of fall and makes it feel good.
Tiptoes undercover, agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. Willows align, we lose track of time, head up high, now we climb.
That's going to be it for today's video. I hope it gave you some motivation and some inspiration for fall decorating. Definitely stay tuned for a future fall decorating video outside on the porch area. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, sweet friends, if you're in need of any kind of prayer, let me know down in the comments. I'd be so honored to pray for you. Until I catch you in the next one, I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye, y'all.
Beyond gravel.